Hello, this is Sunny and you're watching Sunny Solo, your passport to solo travel.
The reason I'm wearing this dorky hat this morning is because I came out of my room after getting ready to fly my drone and take some nice footage around here. This place is called the Bridge of Kelly, and the hotel also is called the Bridge of Kelly Hotel. And we got here late last night.
Boots on the path and the skylight gold. Ramble on the fence and the air feels bold. Red on the hills and bronze in the trees. Your hand in mine, we move with the breeze. Hear that bagpipe note from far down the glen. Every turn we take feels new again.
There is a river, like a genuine river, and here is the Bridge of Kelly. Oh my God, what a great bridge! Look at this bridge. Wow. This bridge is an old and historic bridge, looks very nice, but I can't take any pictures of it because there's no angle. There are trees all around, and then if I go in this direction, it's just road. You can keep going and not find an angle, but there are trees so close to it. So trees have no respect for photographers, man. I'll show you what it looks like from the other side. So if you look at from this side, you can see some more of the bridge, but not a lot. There's no real good angle here. This is the nice scenic historic car park. We got free parking because it's Sunday today. Now we're going to go find food in Garden Cafe. So this is the Garden Cafe. I'm liking the service so far. As soon as I stepped in, the waiter asked me, did I want something to eat? I said, yeah, I need a table for four. And like, hey, here's a table by the window. Perfect. Then he gave me the menu and explained everything. Like, this is how the breakfast works. You get everything in there. You can't change things. And we already have our... That's me. Thank you. And I already have my coffee, which is this latte. And yeah, so we ordered vegetarian. There's vegetarian options, vegan options, gluten-free options. You can't change anything, but you can remove things if you want. That's it. So I had my vegetarian breakfast without mushroom. That's it.
Boots on the path by the lock, gold and nothing feels the same.
And this behind me is River Steam, like steam but with a P. So nice view, but very windy and a little bit chilly. Very, very beautiful view.
Scotland in autumn colours, Scotland in autumn colours. You and me, we shine like that. Gold on gold, we're coming back. Scotland in autumn colours, Scotland in autumn colours. Hold me close, let the day grow bright in the Titan sky. We're alive tonight. Clouds are painting, skies are blue. Wheels spinning, me and you. Maps are folded. Who needs a plan? Just the road and the open land. Oh, let's go anywhere. Feel the wind, the sun, the salty air. Every mile's a brand new scene. Life feels like a wanderlust dream. Mountains whisper, rivers hum, cities call, but we don't come. Laughter echoes through the trees, freedom tastes just like this breeze. No schedule, no ticking clock, just footsteps on this endless walk. Let's go anywhere. Feel the wind, the sun, the salty air. Every mile's a brand new scene. Life feels like a wanderlust dream. No schedule, no ticking clock, just footsteps on this endless walk. Oh, let's go anywhere. Feel the wind, the sun, the salty air. Every mile's a brand new scene. Life feels like a wanderlust dream. Tires on gravel, a rhythm so sweet. Every detour's
This is our third day on the trip, second full day in Scotland, and this is what we woke up to. Actually, this is better than what we woke up to. It's less foggy, it's very windy. It was rainy and foggy before, just now it's windy. And you can see a little bit still foggy. So we are in the process of leaving the rented accommodation. Checkout time was 10, it's like 10:05 now. Car is right here and we are about to set off. Plan is to have breakfast in Flockton, which was our target, but this place was cheaper to rent near Flockton, about half an hour from Flockton. What is it called? I have no clue. Oh, I do know. It's the Isle of Skye. It's Kyleakin, Broadford and Isle of Skye. Let's talk about the journey in the next one. For now, this is enough for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series. I'll tell you more about the journey in the next one, and also a couple of, again, adventurous things and a happy ending as well in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice week.
No schedule, no ticking clock, just footsteps on this endless walk.